Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add text effect in photopea. Let's get started. See this background. First of all, I press Ctrl Z, duplicate background, and use black color. Okay, then again create a new layer. Type text. Wait some moment, few seconds. And example, I type white color text. Click anywhere. Wait few seconds. Okay, then type anything. Double click and resize the text. Double click and see this many text font. Okay, then I use this text font and add text effect. Click the text layer, text effect, blending options, and see this bevel. Soften hardness. Add a texture. Press enter. Invert. Okay, stroke, shadow, glow, etc. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.